Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I've got a forking great recipe for you today.
Whoa, you must be in the good place.
Yep, it's for forking Waldorf salad. What? Ah! This is the vegan as fork take on Waldorf salad. It is the first in the summer salad series
Yeah.
for 2018. So here it is. You know it's hot. You don't want to turn on the oven, but you want to have something good for dinner.
And this is healthy too.
This is amazing. It's going to fill you up. It's going to taste delicious. It's going to help you feel cooler when it's really hot outside. Very simple. Only a few ingredients and it goes together really quickly. First of all, I hate washing things. Who likes doing that? Not me. There's got to be something wrong with you if you like that. Just kidding. Anyway, I'm going to mix the dressing first in the bowl, and then I'm going to throw everything in on top of it and toss it.
Whoa, good thinking.
I won't lose any of my dressing in the dressing cup. Smart, right? Alright, so like a traditional Waldorf salad, why is it so hard to say? It's going to start off with a base of mayo. This is vegan mayo that I made this morning with aquafaba and some avocado oil.
We have a recipe for that if you guys want to check that out. Okay. We'll link it below.
And all of the measurements for this recipe will also be linked below. Look at how beautiful that is. I just whipped it up. Alright, we're also going to put the acid in, and the acid we're using today is lemon juice. You got to balance your acid with a sweet. So we're just going to put a little bit of agave in. I don't have any cane sugar, organic cane sugar, so the agave or maple syrup will work, but you want your salty and sweet balanced. A little pepper, as much as you like. I like it. Salt to taste if you're SOS. Salt, oil, and sugar-free.
Oh.
Then you don't have to add salt, but I really think it helps bring out the sweet. Not too much. Alright, so this is the dressing. That's so simple. Just give it a quick stir. And we're ready to add the salad ingredients.
The components.
Yes. Well, every Waldorf salad has apple and celery. That doesn't change. They all have that. So we're going to put that in. That was 3 apples and 3 celery. Also, some walnuts and cranberries. It could be almonds. It could be raisins, it could be grapes. But today we're using cranberries and walnuts because I really like the way these two play off the apple.
Yes.
So that's why we're using those. But depending on what your tastes are, you can put whatever you want. Now, I like a little bit of bite. I don't like things too sweet and nice. I like a little nasty in there.
You like getting kicked out of Applebee's when everything's going a little too well? Sometimes
you wreck the bathroom, you know?
No!
Alright, so I put a little red onion in there because I like a little bite in my salad. It's a flavor depth. It gives some interest. So we're just going to toss this. Make sure everything is well coated. Now you might say, where's the salad? The thing is, I like to do this like this. Even if you do this the night before and you let this sit and let the flavors marinate in the refrigerator overnight, don't mix the lettuce in at this point. It's going to be a wilty mess. Don't put the lettuce in until you're about ready to serve it. Otherwise, you won't be happy. And
that's
now,
key.
You want your salad to be crisp and crunchy. This one isn't that crunchy, but I love arugula. I will not touch romaine anymore because of the whole salmonella thing, so we are sticking with arugula for this. Or you could use a spring mix. But I'm going to let this sit a little bit, and then when we go to serve it, we're going to toss in as much of this with the lettuce that we want, because we don't want this sitting around left over in the refrigerator with the arugula in it. So mix it fresh every time you take a bowl of salad. If you're going to eat the whole thing that night, obviously dump in the whole, yeah, just dump it in. Dump in the whole...
Apple Watch says yes.
Yeah. Dump it in when you're ready to eat. Alright, I've mixed in enough for one bowl.
Yeah.
and I snuck a little piece, and
how was it?
I thought it was amazing.
I remember we had this for like, I want to say it was like
Thanksgiving.
But I think we were just so busy we never made a video for it.
Yeah.
It was such a hit on Thanksgiving.
It was.
Such a hit. Okay, ready?
Go.
Mmm.
Are you living?
I love it so much.
The onion really adds a lot to it.
I'm gonna let you finish, but this salad is like a perfect symphony of deliciousness. Like everything has its part and plays it perfectly.
All right, Maestro.
It's so good.
I hope you guys give it a try. It is a beautiful hot weather, even cold weather. We had it in the Northeast on Thanksgiving, and even the meat eaters were like, this goes perfectly with our dinner too. So if you're in a mixed family, and by mixed I mean vegans and non-vegans, this is something everybody can agree on, that it's delicious.
That's amazing.
All right.
Good work.
Thank you. Subscribe for more, and until next time, much love.